If you want to save time and reuse a past email, knowing how to replicate a campaign in MailChimp is a super useful skill. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate an existing campaign, make your edits, and then send it out again without starting from scratch. This is perfect for newsletters, promotions, announcements, and any email you want to reuse with a few quick changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple MailChimp tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. After you log in, you'll land on your MailChimp dashboard where you can manage audiences, automations, and campaigns all in one place. Now look over to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where MailChimp stores all of your past email campaigns, drafts, and scheduled sends. Once you're inside the campaign section, you'll see a list of everything you've created before. Next, find a campaign you want to replicate. You can scroll through the list manually, or if you already know the campaign name, use the search bar to locate it faster. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of campaigns in your account and want to save time. When you've found the campaign you want to copy, hover over it and click the More Options menu. Depending on your screen, this may appear as a drop-down arrow or a three-dot menu. Once the menu opens, select Replicate. MailChimp will instantly create a duplicate of that campaign for you. What's great about this is that the replicated campaign keeps the original design, content, and campaign settings, so you don't have to rebuild everything manually. It gives you a strong starting point that you can quickly customize for your new message. Now that the campaign has been duplicated, open it and begin editing it however you want. You can change the subject line, update the body text, swap out images, adjust links, refine your call to action, and make any other changes needed for your new send. This is the part where you can tailor the email to match your current offer, audience, or update. Take a moment to review everything carefully before sending. Check the text for mistakes, make sure all your links work properly, and confirm the design looks good on both desktop and mobile. A quick review here can help you avoid sending out an email with outdated information or broken links. Once you're happy with the changes, go ahead and click Send. You can also choose to schedule it if you don't want it to go out right away, but if you're ready, sending it immediately is just as easy. And that's it, you've successfully replicated a MailChimp campaign, edited it to fit your needs, and sent it out. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what MailChimp tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.